calling all nature lovers, adventurers, and those seeking peace in the wild. I'm Michelle, and since 2018, my family's passion for the untouched beauty of Saskatchewan's Boreal forest has driven us to capture its magic through our trail cameras. Here at Canada Wildlife Cams, we bring you into the heart of nature, where every video is a journey. Experience the wonder of bears, wolves, deer, and more, all in their purest habitat. Each video combines the soothing sounds of nature with moments of pure serenity, offering you a unique form of nature therapy. We share new adventures regularly, ensuring your connection with the wild is never broken. Because every magical moment brings you closer to the peace of nature and connection to the wild. Join us on this enchanting journey. Subscribe now to dive deeper into the wilderness of Saskatchewan.